Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to demonstrate an AI-powered Google Drive file summarizer that built using FastAPI, React, and the large language models. This application allows user to log in with their Google account, browse Google Drive folders just like the native Drive UI, and generate the concise summaries for supported document using AI. I will first show you the working demo and then briefly explain the front end and the back end architecture. Okay. At high level, the project has three main parts: Google OAuth authentication, Google Drive for folder-wise file browsing, and AI-based document summarization with caching. Okay, and the backend is built using Python and FastAPI, and the front end is built using React with White. Let's start with the authentication. Okay, the user logs in using Google OAuth. Since this application is currently in the development mode and not verified by the Google, you will see the warning screen. So let's continue with the Google now. Yeah. So this is actually warning. You will see. Let me first enter my username. So as I mentioned, the application is not verified by the Google Cloud yet. So it is giving some warning that application not verified, but still, and this is the expected behavior for the unverified application. So I will proceed with the choosing continue anyways. Yeah. So once I logged in, the backend exchange the authorization code for the access token and the create a server side session. Okay, and the front end store only the session ID, not the Google token themselves, which keeps the client lightweight and secure. Okay, yeah. So after login, the application load the top layer folder from the Google Drive and not the recent files. Okay, so this is actually top level folders that I have added in the my Google Drive account for this account. Okay, so it contains the folder and the two files. Okay. So this is done using the parent-based queries against the Google Drive API, starting from the drive root. So folder is displayed as a first class items. When I click the folder, the front end requests only the content of that folder from the backend, and exactly like the native Google Drive behavior. Yeah. You can also navigate back using the back button, which is managed using the folder navigation stack on the front end. So this application supports summarization only for the PDF files, docx file, Google Docs, TXT files, and unsupported files types are still visible, but the summarize button is disabled, and the tooltip explain that is not supported. Currently, it is there is no such file present here. That's why it is not showing some that tooltip. So this actually prevent the unnecessary backend calls and improve the user experience. Once a supported file is selected, let me select this one. The summarizer button becomes active. When I click the summarize, the backend downloads or export the file content, extract readable text, chunk it if necessary, send it to the LLM using the MapReduce style summarization flow. Okay, yeah, let it get completed. It is in progress. Yeah, so here is the summary generated. So generated summary is display here in the clean, readable format. If the same file is summarized again, if this is cached, if I summarize again, so it will, yeah. So backend actually uses the cache key to avoid the repeated LLM calls, and improving the performance and reducing the cost. If summarization fail, for example, if the file has no readable content, the backend returns the structure error message. The frontend displays this error directly in the summary section instead of showing the alert or failing silently. Let me show the one example. So this is actually watch battery bill. It is actually scan image of the warranty battery bill, which is actually stored in the PDF. So if I summarize for that, select the file, even the extension is file extension, that PDF file is supported, but actually backend able is not having the support for the extracting the OCR data from the from the image. So it is giving there no readable text could be extracted from this file. The file may be empty, scanned or unsupported. Okay. So this makes the system more transparent and user friendly, which actually shows the proper error and all this. Let's quickly look at the backend structure. Yeah. So let me go to the so I uploaded this all on the my Google repository. Sorry, GitHub repository. Here is the project. Let me show you the projects. So I will be sharing this link in the my Google YouTube video description. So this is a structure. So let's quickly look at the backend structure. So app, yeah. So here the app handles the Google authentication and session management. Okay. Then the drive actually contains the Google Drive API integrations. Then the readers actually contains the handling of the PDF, docx, and text extraction file. Hmm. Summarizer contains the chunking logic and the LLM integration. And this API folder is actually the router exposes the clean REST endpoints. So the backend is built using the fast API and designed to be a stateless with session tracking handles using the lightweight in-memory store. So error handling is explicitly file processing error, file processing error, empty content, and unexpected failures are clearly differentiated. Let's go to the front end now. So on front end side, yeah. So this is a folder. So app TSS handle the authentication and global layout, and this file list dot TSX SX encrypted the drive browsing, folder navigation, file selection, summarization state, caching, and the error handling. The front end proactively disable the unsupported actions, handles loading states, and keeps the UI consistent with the dark themes. All APIs are made using the session ID, keeping the client simple and secure. So to summarize, the project demonstrates the secure Google OAuth integration, folder-wise Google Drive browsing, AI-powered document summarization, and thoughtful UX with the validation, caching, and the error handling. The complete source code is available on the GitHub. Please feel free to try it out, review the code, or suggest any improvement you want to do. You want me to do. And if you find this useful, please like the video, share your feedback in comments, and consider subscribing. Yeah, thanks for watching.